actually see more copper or a piece of wood over there. Should we jump over there? Wish I had more power in this camera. I think we're gonna be alright. Let's see what it was. Oh, if that's copper, that's a big piece. That is a big piece of copper, I think. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah. Oh, my foot's wet. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's definitely copper. That is definitely copper. Alright, let me get over there. Paint in the eye. Sorry, let me fix this. I got a 21%, so let's make sure we can. Yeah, that thing hurts, man. Sorry, I want to show those nasty fingers digging in dirt. It's funny. This is stainless and it matches my gloves. Where's my bucket? Where's my bucket? It's right there. It is right there. And it looks, oh shit. Oh yeah. Why is it filled with stuff? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Let me know why there would be, what is that? I thought this was gonna be a bigger piece, but that ain't bad. That ain't bad. Look at this magician darn. There you go. That's a little better. I don't know what's going on. That's copper, baby. Oh, jeez. That's almost darn falling on his butt. That's another good bag. I gotta get. Alright, let's finish this dumpster quick. Let's finish this up. Let's finish this up. Let's finish this up. Why are there... Of course. Oh. Alright, here's what I don't like, right? Absolutely disgusting. Disgusting, disgusting. On the good stuff. Oh, I can't do it. Alright. Last bag, guys. Last bag. Last bag, and we are out. Come on, be something, baby. Be something. I hear metal. Can you be some cock? That's a glass. Some aluminum. I don't even think it's aluminum. I think it's just steel. Anyway. We call it wah-wah. Alright, that was gonna be it. I'm gonna get that bucket quick. That's nice, guys. That's really nice. Get some gas money tomorrow. I was also trying to figure out a way I could do scrapping videos at the scrapyard. I just can't do it because they won't let me film. So I don't know what to do. Or if you're even interested in scrapyard videos. When I watch videos, I just kind of want to see what people are finding. I mean, like, the money is like whatever, you know. It's just fun to see what people find. Like that. And that. Alright, I'm 6 feet. That's like, what, 10 feet? 8 feet? I must be 8 feet. 8-foot dumpster. Shoot. Comment below, is it gonna fall? I'm not even on the ground. Shoot. Hopefully this light's okay too. Copper, baby. Copper, copper. It's a big dumpster. Big boy dumpster. Well, thank you guys for coming with. This was a really good time. To be honest with you, it was only my, I stopped at 1, 2, 3. I only stopped at 3 spots. I had to work tonight. I said it was raining, and I didn't think I was even gonna get out. But, sometimes you just gotta go for it, right? And it paid off for us. Oops, I gotta grab that. Anyway, I'm just gonna grab that cord and we're gonna be out of here. I'll leave that for somebody else. Don't yell at me, please. Hit the subscribe button. We are, where are we at? 885 or so. We are looking good on that. Thank you to all you guys, and I'll see you on the next.